In this part of my Thailand vlog, I'll be showing you around some unique places in Bangkok and a few weekend trip locations. Around 2 hours away from Bangkok is Pattaya. Although famous for its nightlife, Pattaya is actually surrounded by many beautiful islands. I sailed to Kotar, an island that is generally off limits to the public, so you can only cruise around it. The island's sandy beaches remain almost untouched. The trip took around 4.5 hours and ended just in time for sunset. Make a reservation at the Sky Gallery restaurant for amazing sunset views. Between Pattaya and Bangkok lies an area called Bangsan. I previously filmed footage here for my vlogs before, but Bangsan continues to grow with more and more cozy coffee shops to spend your weekends at. More recently, restaurants, bars, and cafes have been growing in this area, but has its own rustic charm similar to that of its surroundings. Wallflowers Cafe is a flower shop and cafe by day, but transforms into a rooftop bar overlooking Yaowarat by night. Right across the road is a Chinese-inspired bar, renovated from a 60-year-old shophouse, serving small plates and unique drinks. The upper floors serve as a residence, which you can book through Airbnb. They were initially famous for their soy milk pudding, which lived up to its name. I spent another weekend in Kuiburi. Although it's about a 4 to 5 hour drive to get there, the place is perfect for those looking for a more peaceful getaway, as it's much less crowded than the more commercial Hua Hin nearby. I stopped by River City, a mall that specializes in arts and antiques, and so more recently has become a space for immersive art exhibitions and home to works from local artists. Ant Day is a cafe serving up specialty coffee from around the world. Around the same area is a modern izakaya restaurant, which focuses on yakitori and sake. It became one of my favorite restaurants that I have visited over the past few months. After dinner, I stopped by the Bamboo Bar, a live jazz bar serving Thai-inspired cocktails.